I am going to show you the exact website that we are going to be creating in this step-by-step tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can add your own logo, how you can add the name of your website, how you can change images, how you can add text to your image, how you can add a welcome section, an about section, a team section, also a subscription box, so that if a person enters their email here, they will be able to subscribe to your newsletter. Also how you can connect your social media accounts, how you can add your email address, your phone number, your geographical location address. Also how you can be able to sell both digital products and physical products. So you can also see here we have the price filter here. We can filter products using color, size. So you can use those filters when buying products on your website. I'm going to show you how you can add such filters. Also, if a person, if they want to buy, for example, a trouser, if they try to add the trouser to cart, they won't be able to do it unless they first choose the color and the size. So also you can select the quantity of the product you are buying and add that product to cart. So you can see you can add it to cart and check out. So I'm also going to show you how you can create services that your customers can be able to book on your website. So I'm also going to show you how you can add a contact page. So here the clients can fill in their first name, their last name, and also their email address here, and they can write a question here and send it to you. So you will receive that question using your email address and also on the dashboard of your website. So also your customers can see where you are located by using this map. So they don't have to ask you where you are located because you will have a map on your website. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. Also, I'm going to show you how you can create blog posts on your website manually and using AI. So here you can see the name of the author of your blog post and how long it was written. Like here you can see a few seconds ago, and also how long it will take you to read. Also you can be able to like a blog post. Here you can see the number of views and the number of comments. So this is how the blog post will look like. So this is the blog post we are going to create with AI, and you can also see the recent post here, and you can also be able to write the comments that you want on this blog post. So now we can go back to the home page. So we are going to create everything you have seen. I'm also going to show you how you can change the color of your website to many type of colors that you can want. So if you find this video to be helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and also you can share. So if you have any question along the video, make sure you ask, and I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. Also, if you need a website developer who can make you any type of website, I'm going to leave my contact details on the screen and also on the description of this video, so you can use them to reach out to me, and I'm going to discuss whatever type of website you want. So now we can proceed and start creating our own new website. So let's now continue. I am going to be using Google Chrome. Come here and search for Wix. So it's the first link here. Click on get started. So here you can continue with your email address, continue with Google. So I'm going to continue with Google. So I'm just going to click on continue. You can also continue with Facebook. So here it's going to ask you who are you creating the website for. So I'm going to click on for myself. So here you can start with AI or without AI. And I'm going to start without the chat. So you can try that feature. Here you can search for the type of website you want. So I'm just going to proceed with online store here. It's recommended, so I'm just going to proceed with it. Later on you can also be able to add new features like booking and others. So this is the dashboard, and I'm going to wait for it to load completely. So here add the name of your store. So let me add a random name. So then click on continue. So can I just click now I'm just starting out. Here you can choose the type of products you want to sell on your website, maybe physical product, digital products, services. So you can go ahead and add as many products as you want. So I'm going to click on continue. So also here I'm going to click on continue. Now I'm going to continue to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So I'm just going to click on design site. So they have an offer. So here you have two options. You can continue generating a template with AI, or choosing a template. So the AI generated templates are too basic and simple, so I'm going to pick a template. So you can try that feature, but I prefer picking templates. So now you can see we have a bunch of templates. You can search for the type of template you want here. So they have a lot of options. You can click here. You can also see more options here. So now I'm just going to, so if you want to see how a template looks like before picking it, just click on view, and now you can view how your templates is going to look like if you choose it. So if you are to choose this template, this is how your website is going to look like. So I'm going to pick a blank one by clicking this option, and if you like a template, click on the edit button. So now it's going to load our editor, and it's good to know that once you pick a template, you won't be able to change it unless you repeat the whole process from step 1. So the editor is loading, and it actually takes some time, so I'm just going to wait for it. So it's almost done. So it's adding the final touches. It's almost done. So always pick a template wisely, because you won't be able to change it unless you repeat the process. So it's adding the checkout. So here it's going to ask you to enhance the content of your website using AI, but you can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to proceed without doing it. So here now we are almost done. Okay, now we can click here to see the pages we have. Okay, now you can see we don't have a menu on top here, so I'm going to add a menu. So let me first of all walk you through the dashboard. So here you can add elements. So this is the editor actually. So here you can add sections. Here you can add pages to your website. So this is an option. You can click here to add pages. So you can also use this option to change the colors of your website. So we are going to do all this later on as we proceed. You can use this option to add apps to your website. So you can see they have a bunch of apps here. This option, you can use it to see the apps that are there on your website. So you can also use this option to upload media from your computer. Just click on this option and you can be able to upload from your computer. Also you can be able to use this option for the CMS. You can use this option for AI, so you can use AI to generate text for your website, to create sections, and also to redesign the site theme. So now we can proceed and start using this one to add the menu. So I'm going to add a menu, and like this one, so I'm going to drag and drop it here. So that's how easy you can do it. Now I'm going to add a logo by clicking this option. So it's going to show you the files that are on your computer. So just proceed and choose a logo from your computer. So the logo is adding, and I'm going to click add to page. So here it is. I'm going to drag and drop it here. So that's how easily you can do it. Now maybe you want to add the name of your website here, so just click on this option here, click on text, then drag and drop this text container here. So click on edit text to change the text. So you can just click on maybe write the name of your website. So if you want to change the color of this text, just highlight the text and click on color. So let me choose this color here. So that's how you can change the color. Now I want us to add a new section. So if you want to add a new section here, just click on add a new section, and now we have a new section here. If you want to delete the section, just click on the three dots and click on delete. So let's add a new section from this option here. You're going to start with a welcome section. So let me wait for it to load. You have a bunch of options, and I'm going to drag and drop this one there. So if you want to change the text, just click on the text and click on edit text. Now you can delete it and write your own text. So it's that easy. If you want to change the images, click on the image you want to change, and after clicking on it, click on change background, and you can click the image, and you can be able to upload an image from your computer. So I'm going to upload an random image from my computer. So the image is adding, and I'm going to click on the change background option. Let me wait for it. So now I've clicked on it. So the image has now changed. So I can drag this section a little bit, and now that looks better. So now I can add a new section here. If you want to move a section up, just click on the arrow button, and now the section is up. If you want to move it down, just click on the arrow pointing downwards. So let's add a new section. So let me now add an about section. So let me look for a nice one. I like this one. Just drag and drop it there. So let's add a new section also. So I'm going to add a team section, and I'm going to drag and drop it here. So that's how easily you can do it. You can also manage the layout of this text, the images that you have added. So now you can proceed and add another section here. So let's click this option here, and now I'm going to add the subscribe option, so that people can subscribe to your newsletter, and I'm going to add this one. So it's going to add it. So people now can be able to get monthly updates whenever you post content by signing up using their email. So you can see you have an empty space here. want to delete it, so just click on the three dots and cut. So now we don't have that empty space. Now I want to add some new options to the footer. So the footer is marked by this orange line and it appears on all pages. So I'm going to click on this option. Let me see here, under contacts. I'm going to add this option, so I want to drag and drop it here to the footer section. So now actually it didn't go to the footer, so I'm going to drag and drop it to the footer. Let me drag and drop it. So now it's on the footer. So you can see you have some empty space. Just click on the three dots and cut it. So now that's how easily you can do it. If you want to change for example, the email address, just click on edit text and add your own email address. So that's how easily you can do it. And as many add your own professional email here. You can also change the phone number. Just click on edit text and add your own phone number. So you can also change the address of where you are located. Just delete the previous one and add your own address. So that's how easily you can add the address where you are located. You can also connect your social media account. So I'm going to delete these options here and add new social media icons. Just click on this option and go to social. Then drag and drop these options here. So now if you want to connect your social media accounts, click on set social links. Maybe you don't want Twitter, just delete it. Maybe now you want to connect your Facebook channel. Just click on the Facebook channel, or page. So click on the Facebook icon, click on this option, delete the previous text here, go to the Facebook page you want to share or account. So for example, it's this page, so just copy the link on top of it. So go back to the editor and paste that link there. So click on done. If you want to share your your YouTube channel, just click on this option, delete this link here, go to the YouTube channel you want to share and copy that link that is on top of it. So copy that link and go back to your editor and paste that link there. So now that's how you can connect your YouTube channel, and then click on done. So now if you want to switch pages, now we are on the home page and we want to go to this page, the shop page. So just click on this option here. So the book online page is this one. So I want to the shop page and let me see. Let's go to the category page. Definitely it's the one. Let me see. And now we have it here. Also you can click on here. So this is the shop page. You can see we have some products that came with it. So we are going to add a new product. Just click on any of the products and click on manage products. So it's going to take you to the dashboard, and here you can add both physical products and digital products. So click on physical products if you want to add a physical product. So here add the name. Maybe you want to sell a trouser. Let me add a trouser. I'm going to add an image of it. So you can upload your own from this option here, but I'm going to use a free option, a free image from it. So you can upload your own from here. So let me add this one. I'm going to add to page. So the image has been added. So if the trouser is new, maybe you can say it's new. Here you can add the description of the trouser. So go ahead and add the description here. Here you can add the price, how much money it will cost, maybe 100. If you want to offer a discount, click on this option here. Maybe you want to offer 10% discount. Now you can see the price here is 90 instead of 100. So you can go ahead and add now let's continue to add the product options. Maybe that trouser comes in different colors, and you want your customers to choose the different colors when buying, so you can just add like black. So maybe it's the same type of trouser but it comes in different colors. So you can apply this type of product options to any of the products you are selling. So now let's go ahead and add them. Maybe also the trouser comes in different sizes, so I'm going to add size. Maybe the trouser has the X and also the XL, so just click a comma after entering the option. Add a comma on your keyboard and it is going to add it this way. So now let's proceed and add them. So now we can proceed. You can add if they are in stock or out of stock. So now we can save that product. So now I want to add a digital product. So I'm going to click on a digital file. So now here you can add the name. Maybe it's music that you are selling. Music. Maybe the music is classic. So let me go here and upload a file of the same. So here you can add an image, an audio file, document, a zip file. So you have a lot of options. So I'm going to proceed by adding an audio file. So I'm going to click on upload media. And then upload from computer. So let me upload a file from my computer. So here it is uploading. So let me now go back and let me now click it again. So I'm going to click audio file. So it's going to be added here. Here it is. So now I'm going to add it. So it has been added. So I can also add some images to it. So let me use a free image from Mix. So let me see the options we have. Yeah, I'm going to add this one. So I'm going to add the price. Okay, and now I can save it. So that's how easily you can do it. And now we can go back to the shop page. So you can see the products that I have just added. So I also want to add other options on this page. So I'm going to click on settings. Let me see. I'm going to change to add some new things. So I'm going to add the cart button. So this is the cart button, and also the quantity selector. Here it is. Product options. Okay, now you can go ahead and go to the services page. So I'm going to call this page services. So just click on it and click manage menu. So go to site menu and click on this option here and rename that page and call it services page services. So that's how you can rename a page. So you can see it changed. So here it is. I'm going to add a new service, so just click on any of the services and click on manage services. So you can also access it from your dashboard. So let me add a new from scratch. So let me say maybe I offer website design services, website design. So here I'm going to add an image of the same. I'm going to use a free one from Wix. So let me search a nice image from Wix. I like this one, so I'm going to add it to page. Okay, so here you can write the duration of your service. If your service has a break, maybe like a massage service that needs a 5 minutes break, you can add it there. So here you can say people to pay per session, the price, whether it is fixed, whether it's free, whether it's varied, whether it's custom. So I'm going to go on with fixed and write maybe 150. So you can add the location where the service will be offered, the staff member. So you can create a new staff member here. So it's very easy. So you can assign that staff member to this service by just putting a tick on them. Okay, now you can also add a policy to your service. So now I can save that service. So that's how easily you can create a new service. So it's that easy. You can see the service has been created. Okay, you can also see it's not being shown properly, so you can adjust this size here. So let me add the size. I need to increase it, so that's how easily you can edit it. So I'm going to add another page for contacts. So just click on you can click on this option here and click manage menu, then go to site menu, click on the add new page. So I want to add a contact page. Just click on this option and you can see you have a bunch of options. So I like this one. Just click add to page. So it's going to be added. So the page has been added. Okay, so now you can see you have a map here. So I don't like this map, so I'm going to delete it. Click on the back button of your mouse and cut it. So click on this option, go to contacts and forms, and go to maps. Then you can choose the map you want. So I like this one. Drag and drop it here. So that's how you can also adjust the size. So you can easily do it that way. Just click, hold and drag. So now you can be able to change the location. Just click on manage location and change this address here. So write the address of where your business is located and hit enter on your keyboard. So also change this title here, write the name of your business. So you need to add the name of your business here, and now you can proceed. So that's how easily you can do it. Okay, so you can do it that way. So now if you want to go back to the home page, click this option here and click the home page. So now I'm going to add the blog page. So let me click on the menu here. I need to reduce this size first of all. I need it here. So click on this option here and now go to this option here to add a new page. So I'm going to add a blog page. So add Wix blog. So now the blog page is going to be added. So it's almost done. So now I'm going to add a blog post. So this is how the blog page looks like. So let's add a new blog page by clicking manage posts. So let's add a new one. Just click on create new post. Okay, so here add the title of your blog post. So here add the content of your blog post. So maybe I'm just going to write the more text here. So you can go ahead and use write as long as you want. So that's how easily you can do it. You can also add an image to your blog post. Click on this option. Also you can add videos and other files. So I'm going to upload an image. Let me upload an image here. Surely I can just use a free one. So you can proceed by clicking here to upload from your computer. Let me use a free one from Wix. So let me see, they have a lot of images, and I can just add it to page. So just click on publish and your blog post will be published. Okay, now you can see, let's go to the blog page, and I'm going to wait for the changes to save. You can see our blog post doesn't have an image here, so let's go back. Just click on manage post. And now I want to add an image to it, and let me click on edit. So let's go to settings and add an image here. So I'm going to use the same image. Let me search for the image. You can also use any other image you want to be shown as the cover image. So I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to click on publish. So it has been published, and now you can see the image I've just added here. So that's how easily you can do it. You can also be able to create another blog post now using AI. So let's click on manage posts. So you can save your time for creating blog posts using the AI feature. So just click on create new post. Let's go back here, and I want to create a new one with the AI. Let's just click here, create new post. Let's see. I can see you have some AI tools here. Click on here and click that option. So here you can write the topic of your blog post. So I'm just going to write a demo, how to relate well with your family, and click on next. So here you can choose the tone, maybe professional, and click on next. So here you can see we have actually you can just go back, and yeah, so now after adding the topic of your blog post, you can click on next, choose the tone here, and also you can choose the images you want to be added to your blog post and click on next. So here you can see some recommended titles. I'm going to proceed with the first one, and now it's going to create a blog post, and also it's going to add the 3 images I have chosen. So you also see added a professional tone, so you can choose whatever you want. So the blog post is almost done. I'm going to wait for it. So you can see it's writing the blog post. You can see a huge title here and some paragraphs. So you can save the time of creating blog post by using the AI feature. You can see one of the images here, a second image here. So I chose 3 images. So one of it is going to be used as the featured image. So just click on publish. And now you can go back and see how our blog post is going to look like. So here's the blog post I created with AI. So that's how easily you can do it with AI. So now I want to change the color of this website. So let's go back to the home page and change the colors of this website. So I'm going to click on this option here and then this option. So you can look at a few of them. So make sure the color you choose that the text can be easily seen. So don't just choose any type of color. Okay, like this one. Choose whatever you want. Let's see more options. So that looks nice. So you can go ahead and use the color that you like. So we'll proceed with that one. I like it. So now we are good to go, and I'm just going to click on publish. So after clicking on publish, now our website is live on the internet. Click on view site. So this is our website. You can see now our website is ready and live on the internet. So now you can explore the pages it has. Now you can see all the pages. If you want to share this website with your friends, it's very easy. Just copy this link here above and share with them. So you can see we have a Wix banner here. So if you want to remove this one, also we don't have a professional domain name here. So it's very easy. Just go back to your editor and click on the upgrade button. Click on upgrade. Click upgrade here. So these are the pricing plans, and you can see the cheapest one is $9, and we also have the expensive one, $48. You can also compare the features that each of them offers. So you can go ahead and choose according to your budget. So if you found this video to be helpful, make sure you like, subscribe to get more like this one, and you can also share. So thank you very much for watching this video. And also, if you need a custom website, you need a website developer to make you any type of website, I'm going to leave my contact details on the screen, and you can use them to reach out to me. So thank you very much.